Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts with a donut maker. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, such as flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. Next, preheat your donut maker to the recommended temperature, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Finally, lightly grease the donut maker plates with a non-stick spray or a small amount of oil to prevent sticking. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and easy donut making process. Now let's prepare the batter. In one bowl, combine your dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, including eggs, milk, and melted butter. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, folding gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough donuts. A slightly lumpy batter is perfectly fine. It's time to cook. Carefully spoon your batter into each donut cavity, filling them about 2/3 full. Close the donut maker lid and let them cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once cooked, use a non-metal utensil to gently remove the hot donuts. Transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely before decorating. The best part, decorating and enjoying. Once your donuts are completely cool, it's time to get creative. You can prepare a simple glaze, a rich frosting, or just dust them with powdered sugar. Dip each donut into your chosen topping or drizzle it over for a fancy finish. Add sprinkles for extra fun. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.